Here's how to adjust the side mirrors in your car. Most of these modern cars, it's done electronically. Now, to set the mirror properly, the left outside mirror or the driver's side mirror, you simply put this switch over to the extreme left and you set the mirror. You can adjust the mirror to go to the left or to the right or up or down. So I need the mirror to be set so I can see a little bit of the side of this car and down the road behind me. So there it is. I'm adjusting the mirror. At this point I can't see the side of the car, so I press the right, see the right arrow, and that will bring the mirror around. So now I can see a bit of the side of the car and behind me. Now let's set the right outside mirror or passenger side mirror. So I flip this switch over to the right, and then now we can set the mirror to the right. Now by pressing down, we can adjust the mirror to the right or left. Now let's watch the mirror as we adjust it. So remember, now I need to see the side of the car. So I adjust. Now we can see the side of the car, and now we need to tilt the mirror a little bit down. Now I can see clearly behind me. And that's it as far as setting your side mirrors, your outside mirrors. Now let's set the rear view mirror. Now the rear view mirror is to be set so you can see out the back window way down the road behind you. So I'm adjusting the mirror, and that's fine. Now I can see clearly behind me down the road.